Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Zaconni baby Lusso with us in the shop. And I came in for leaking around the bases. That's usually a gasket, but removing that gasket takes quite a lot of work. There's these long rods that connect the cap to the boiler, and you have to take them from the bottom, pull them all the way out, remove the gasket, and then replace it, and then line up the boiler with the cap again, tying it down fully. And of course there's a gasket on the bottom side too to do the same exact thing. After that, and that's pretty much all we did with this machine. I did redo quite a bit of the wiring on the bottom, also just a few electronics that I thought were needing to be replaced. But now we're going to test this machine. So we're going to put this at the bottom, pull this all the way up until you hear the water push through. Keep it there for a few seconds. Now we're going to push it all the way down, try to do even pressure through it all. So I probably put a little bit too much coffee in the portafilter. Yep, and that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.